The right clothes to wear. We wear different clothes in different seasons. In summer, we wear clothes made of cotton. White or light colored clothes suit hot weather because they reflect heat and keep the body cool. In cold weather, we wear woolen clothes. Woolen clothes prevent the body heat from escaping and keep our body warm. People living in different regions wear different types of clothes depending on the climate and the local custom. The dress of a person living in Srinagar will be different from that of a person living in Chennai. People living in different countries wear different types of clothes. Some of these clothes have become national dresses. The national dress of an Indian woman is the sari and that of a Japanese woman is the kimono. Clothes at workplace. People wear special clothes for specific work. Doctors and nurses wear white coats. A soldier wears a uniform made from tough material so that it does not tear easily. People working in factories wear overalls. You wear a uniform to school so that you can be recognized as a student of your school. Socks and shoes. We wear socks and shoes to protect our feet from dust, heat, cold, and worms. Walking barefoot can cause cuts. Dirt, germs, and worms may get into the cut and cause infection. Do not wear wet or dirty socks or tight shoes. Care of clothes. Clean clothes make us look smart and feel comfortable. Dirty clothes cause skin disease. We must always wear clean clothes to stay healthy. Dirty clothes should be washed with soap or detergent. After washing, clothes should be dried in the sun. Clothes should be ironed to look neat. Silk and woolen clothes should be washed with mild soap or detergent. A tear in dress should be mended in time. Remember, a stitch in time saves 9. A patient's clothes must always be disinfected with an antiseptic solution. Storing of clothes. Clothes need good care, especially silk and woolen clothes, because certain insects feed on silk and wool. Clothes must be kept out in the sun for a few hours or dry cleaned. They should then be stored properly. Keep mothballs or dried neem leaves between the folds of silk and woolen clothes. These keep insects away. Proper care of clothes make them last longer. With this, the chapter is over. Read the lesson and study well.